Hey, this is JD and FIA. I'm here to show you the 1-5-6-4 chord progression in C. It is used over many songs, so it's a progression that you'll be playing at some point during your playing the piano. All right, so we're in the key of C. All right, C major scale. C is our 1, D is our 2, E is our 3, F is our 4, G is our 5, A is our 6, B is our 7, back to C, our 1. All right, so when I say 1, 5, 6, 4, I'm talking about the numbers of the scale degree. So if it's a 1, 5, we're gonna play the 1, which is C. Then they're gonna play the chord built off the 5, which is G. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then they're gonna play the chord built off the 6, which is A. Then they're gonna play the chord built off the 4, which is F. So, all right, so that basic pattern, all right. What I'm doing, all right, for my 1 chord, C, I'm playing a C major chord and I'm adding the 9, the D. All right, so I have C and G on my left hand. Right hand, I'm playing C, D, E, and G. So that's a C major chord, adding the 9. All right. Then my next chord, I'm playing a G major chord. All right, but I'm playing it first inversion in my right hand. So left hand, I have G and G octaves. Actually, I'm playing G, D, and G. And right hand, I'm playing B, D, and G. So coming from the C major chord, it's not much movement. All right. Then for my A minor, I like to walk into it. A, B, C. Then I play an A minor 7. The way I'm playing that, left hand I'm playing A and E. Right hand I'm playing G, B, C, and E. Then I go to 4 chord, F major. Left hand F and C. Right hand F, G, A, and C. So I'm doing the same thing I did on my C chord. I'm adding the 9, which is G in this case. So, and you can decorate it how you want to. Sometimes what I do is I play the C chord, I hit the G, and then I come down and play the root position. So, something like that. All right, so when I come play the G chord, like I told you earlier, then I come down and play G, A, B, and D. G, A, B, and D. And then I just kind of flow with it. You can also slide D, E, slide off the D, E flat to the E. Same thing, A, B flat, B. Same thing off the F. G, A flat, and A. right, just kind of mess around with it. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, let me know.